A House panel eyes plunder case against Vice President Sara Duterte. Congressman Don Gonzales said they may consider filing the case if Duterte fails to explain how her funds were used. Gonzales was referring to the 112 million confidential funds of Duterte when she was still the Education Secretary. He said the VP does not enjoy immunity from suit, leaving Duterte open to criminal charges while in office.
Ayun.
Yun.
So, kailangan naman i-explain. Explain mo
Yun
na,
nga
Madam VP.
kasi ang nakikita daw nila dito, I was reading about it,
About
112.5 million funds na hindi nga daw ma-explain. Kasi supposedly, nandito siya na ilagay siya, yung disbursement ng checks, no, ay nilabel siya sa maintenance and other operating expenses instead ng confidential funds. Kasi sabi nga daw, ito daw ay ginamit dun sa mga efforts ng anti-extremism and addressing insurgency. Ang hinihiling nga nila ay ma-explain ni Vice President Sara Duterte itong 112 in 5 days diba? Na nagastos yun. Pero yun nga, as we all know, hindi naman nag-a-attend itong si VP Sara. At kung nag-attend man siya noong mga nakaraang beses, ay hindi naman niya talagang in-address yung issue. Diba? So, yun lang yung sinasabi nila. Pero other than that, alam naman natin ang plunder case ay
that's a criminal case.
Criminal case yan. Tapos life imprisonment. Tapos may cap yan ng presyo, di ba? Yung 50 million, yun yung ito 112 million.
Pero i-clarify nila yung definition ng plunder, ha? Kasi sometimes ang plunder means parang may deliberately misusing funds of the government, di ba? Ang question is, how can you prove, or ang word nga nila is hindi nila ma-explain ang sang ginastos. So how can you then prove na deliberately winaldas ni VP Sara?
Tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging sagot dyan ni VP Sara. Alam naman natin na medyo sumasagot na ngayon si VP Sara.
Para matapos na yan, feeling ko kung sinagot niya yan, tapos na lahat to di ba? Oo.